Welcome back to Scotties Hobbies. In this quick video, I'm going to show you the location of your Bank 2 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor on a 2005 to 2010 Ford Mustang 4.6 liter V8. If this video helps you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Just hit that like button right now, please. If you know anybody with a Ford Mustang of this era, make sure to share my videos or my channel with them. I have a lot of helpful videos on this vehicle in my video library. Now let's get to it. Your Bank 2 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor is located on the driver's side in the middle of the catalytic converter. To get this job done, you're going to need one of these sockets. This is what Ford recommends to replace it. There'll be a link in the description below to purchase one. I personally have this oxygen sensor socket set that comes in very handy when I'm doing oxygen sensor replacements. And according to Ford or ALLDATA, to get this job done only takes a half an hour. It's really easy to do this sensor or to replace it. What does this sensor do? All this sensor does is measure the efficiency of the catalytic converter. If this sensor goes bad, it should not affect the drivability of the engine or your vehicle. So this one just lets the computer know if your catalytic converter is good or bad. Now, if you have a circuit malfunction code, I would highly recommend or would think that this sensor has gone bad. It could be a wiring issue, and hope it's not that, but I usually recommend replacing this sensor if you have a circuit issue or a heater circuit issue. If you have a catalyst efficiency below threshold code and over 100,000 miles, you're probably going to want or need to replace the catalytic converter and the sensor at the same time to get those codes to go away. Now this is the Bank 1, no it's not. Now this is the Bank 2 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor location and information on your 2005 to 2010 Ford Mustang. Like, subscribe, and share. Check out the video library. I will see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies.